Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get one of these sliding closet doors back into its track when it's been accidentally knocked out of its track. I hope you find this video helpful. This happens quite a bit in my kids' rooms because they can be kind of tough on these closet doors. You'll see at the floor here, there are two U channels, and these are the tracks that the doors should be sliding in, and this back door has gotten out of that track. At the top of your door, you will find two bolts. These bolts are what hang the door from the sliding track on the top of the closet. Mine are super easy. All you have to do is kind of move this tab to the side with a screwdriver, or I'm using a wrench here, and that will unlock the bolt and allow you to slide it out of this hardware. Some older models have a nut on the bolt that you have to loosen with an adjustable wrench to get it free. I just got lucky that mine are pretty easy. Once you get both of those free, you can lift your door up and place it in this U track on the floor, and then you can just hang it back up onto those same bolts that you just took it off of. Again, once you hang it back on those bolts, make sure you lock it in place. That could be adjusting the nut back down with an adjustable wrench, or yours could be like mine where you just have to slide this tab over to lock it back into place. Once you lock it back into place, these should slide freely and efficiently once again while staying in that U track on the floor in your closet, or right at the edge of your closet there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.